The 1999 P10 cents is part of a series of Roosevelt dime coins struck from 1946 present. Struck in Philadelphia and designated as a business, MS, strike, this coin is made of 75% copper, 25% nickel from a mintage of 2,164,000,000 struck. Roosevelt dimes were first struck in 1946 and designed by John R. Sinek. Debuting only months after Franklin Delano Roosevelt's passing in 1945, the Roosevelt dime was deemed a fitting tribute to the man who fought a disease diagnosed as polio and helped establish the March of Dimes organization. While Roosevelt dimes are generally regarded as a series chock full of common coins, there are several challenging surprises in store for those who focus their attention on this long-running series. The 1949, 1949D, 1949S, and 1950S are surprisingly tough coins in the mid-range mint state grades. Meanwhile, the 1963 double die reverse and 1964 D double die reverse varieties are two of the more difficult pieces to acquire. One of the most popular Roosevelt dime varieties is the 1982 No P, which can be found in circulation and even with wear is worth a sizable premium over face value. The 1982 No Mint Mark Roosevelt dime is especially valuable in mint states grades. The 1996 W Roosevelt dime was offered only in 1996 uncirculated sets and is one of the scarcer late-date business strikes of the series. Regardless of date, full bands, or FB, Roosevelt dimes, which show complete horizontal lines on the bands across the torch on the reverse, are valued by enthusiasts. Both the 90% silver, 1946 to 1964, and copper nickel, 1965 present, FB Roosevelt dimes are scarce and command substantial premiums over similarly graded non-FB specimens. Obverse, portrait of Franklin Roosevelt with the word Liberty at the left periphery. In God We Trust written horizontally at 7 o'clock left of the portrait. The date is positioned to the right of Franklin's neck. Reverse, Torch of Liberty is flanked by olive branches in the center with United States of America 1 dime around the circumference. The 1999 P. Roosevelt dime was made by the United States Mint. This coin is made out of a clad material, meaning that the outer layer is a mixture of copper and nickel, while the inside core is solid copper. These coins, bearing a special circumstance, will be worth face value. On the obverse of the coin is text that reads Liberty, Indiana God We Trust, and the date, along with the designer's JS initials. The reverse of the coin reads United States of America, E pluribus unum, 1 dime. The obverse, or front side of the coin, features President Franklin Roosevelt, while the reverse, or back side of the coin, shows a torch in the center with 2 branches surrounding.